It's a Japanese seafood restaurant called Uoteru Suisan from Japan. Sorry for butchering that name, but it looks good. They have really good food. A lot of sashimi that I like, or we like. So hopefully that's gonna be really good. One of the pinkiest ginger I've ever seen. It looks good. It's strange. I wonder what it is. So we just got our sashimi, and it's looks like crab sticks. We have some tuna, some salmon, and it looks good. So we're, let me put it like this, we like the food. The tuna just melts away. The salmon. Holy mother of beep! What do you think? I think that face says it all.
My God.
Wow. That was pretty much the best raw fish, raw sashimi I've ever had in my life. And I had a few, but this is outstanding. Next time I'm gonna have the fatty salmon. It was like 4 times as expensive as this salmon, but it looks like it's filled with fats, and that's my next course. We're coming next time. Wow. Let's. We're gonna have the link in the description because I'm not gonna butcher the name of the restaurant any more than I have. So. And Annika ordered some
Ice cream.
dessert ice cream rice thingy with the cream. Looks sweet. But she's a sweet
Nice.
too. So.
Yes. Thank you.
We're still at the restaurant with the name I can't pronounce without butchering the name totally. But one thing I know, that these dumplings okay, let me put it like this. This is a high-end restaurant with not high-end prices in Rawai Beach. Link below. Please subscribe, like or dislike, whatever. If you don't like Japanese food, you should dislike. If you like Japanese food, you should like. And subscribe. You know that it doesn't cost anything. It's free. One click. I wish we were, but we're not sponsored to say this. We have nothing to complain about. Nothing when it comes to this Japanese restaurant. We have eaten, and this is how it looks outside, from outside. And we have one inside space and one outside space, and you have one of those Japanese rooms where you can sit with a small table and break your legs, you know. Is it worth a visit? Yes, it is.